I showed you how to make a blog page as your home page of your website, and now I want to show you how to make a static page the home page of your website and move your blog landing page to a lower level of your website. Okay. Here we are, we have our site, and we have our blog overview page as our home page. And we're going to change it to a static page. So go into the name of your website and then navigate to Dashboard. And we're going to go to Settings, Reading. And we're going to establish our new home page. So I'm going to make it an About page. You can leave Post page there and then say Save Changes. And then go into Appearance Menus, and this overview page is our new home page, and we have the blog page still there. So let's just save menu. All I did was elevate the new home page to the top. Actually, we could call this home so you can get back to it and then save. And then visit our site. So we now have that overview page as our new home page. It's not showing a title, which is correct. And if we go under menu, we have home, this page, blog, which is our blog page that we directed the post teasers to. And so we can navigate back to home.